How to use catalog on WhatsApp business. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use w- catalog on WhatsApp business. So before starting the videos, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, here you have to come on Google Play Store and then you have to update your application to use the catalog of your WhatsApp business. So as I have already updated, let me just go back in my WhatsApp business here, and then here you can see this is my WhatsApp business profile. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to click on this three days on the top right, and then here you will find business tools. So simply click on this business tools, and then here you will find an option as catalog option. So guys, you have to simply click on this catalog option. Now here this type of interface will be there. So what you need to do here, you have to simply click on this plus icon and make sure that your internet connection is well good and you had updated the WhatsApp business application. So you have to click on this plus icon on the bottom, and then here you have to click on this add image option and you have to select for your product. So let me just get inside it. Let me just go to my gallery, and then after going to my gallery, let me just select one picture from here. So let me just select this font. So after selecting this font, you have to write the name here, the product name. So let me just write font and you have to write the price. So let me just give 10,000 rupees. Now guys, what you need to do, you have to simply click on this save button on the top right, and then you can see here guys, in a meanwhile, even if your network is good, then it will be saved. So guys, here you can see my catalog has been saved. So just go back and then just come back here again, and then go to catalog and click here, and then you can share this to your contact list here. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out to use the catalog option on WhatsApp business. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.